A family in Hamden will likely never forget the intensity of Monday's windstorm.
22 News reporter Cy Becker today got an up-close look at the damage caused by that fallen tree.
Pixley Tree Service had quite a job on its hands Tuesday, removing the white pine tree that had crashed into the home where Lee and Kathleen Duquette have lived for 30 years. The fallen tree broke some of the roof rafters when it hit the house. Lee Duquette recalls the moment he felt the tree hitting the roof.
The house shuttered at the moment of impact, and I wasn't quite sure what it was. I knew something hit the house, but I didn't realize exactly what. I started to look out the windows, and when I saw the debris in the front yard from the tree that's in the backyard, I knew that there'd been quite an impact.
Lee's wife, Kathleen, was on her way home from work when the tree came down on the house at 4 o'clock Monday afternoon.
I saw the tree in the back of the house and leaning on the roof, and went upstairs and saw the damage up there, but at least everybody was safe.
Some are comparing the windstorm's intensity with the October 2011 storm that rolled in just before Halloween. But Lee said this damage was far worse. Lee and Kathleen Duquette are grateful that no one was hurt. In Hamden, Cy Becker, 22 News.